Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Now students, we will continue the discussion of question answers, and now we will discuss question number 5 of the chapter Kabuliwala. Now the question is, when the Kabuliwala told Minnie that he would thrash his father-in-law, both of them laughed at the joke. Now, did both of them laugh for the same reason? However, explain. Now this you have to explain ki whether they both of them laughed at the joke for the same reasons. Okay, so the answer is, when Kabuliwala mentioned father-in-law, so he was referring to the jail. That means according to Kabuliwala, father-in-law means jail, but where convicts were well cared for at no expense. No expense is required for there. Okay, but Minnie, as you all know, Minnie was a small child, so she neither understood his reference nor its literal meaning. ठीक है ना, उसको उसका मतलब समझ में आया ना ही उसका literal meaning. So for different reasons they both explodes into laughter. Okay, according to Kabuliwala it was jail, but according to Minnie, she didn't understand anything, but they both explode into laughter. Now coming to the question number 6, describe the two other occasions when the father-in-law joke was repeated. In what way were the circumstances at these times different from the first time the joke was shared between the two? Now in the whole story you all have noticed that the father-in-law it was repeated 3 times. Okay, so first was in the beginning when they both met and they both cracked jokes, then this word was used. Now firstly the joke was repeated when young Minnie asked Kabuliwala, are you going there? That means, are you going to father-in-law? And they both collapsed in fits of laughter. This was the first time. Second time when the question was repeated, when Rahman was arrested by the police. Okay, so Minnie saw him and he asked the same question, are you going to the father-in-law house? So this was the second time. And third time when Rahman asked the question to the Minnie, when she asked to the Minnie when she was getting married. Okay, when after jail, when he again went to author's house, that time when Rahman saw the Minnie in her the wedding attire, so he asked when are you going to father-in-law's house? So but that time Minnie was aware about its literal meaning. Okay, so in asking the questions, Rahman reflects his own life and wonders that his daughter is also preparing for, or she has got married in Kabul. So this is how this father-in-law's the other 2 occasions when this word was repeated. Now coming to the next question, question number 7. What is the narrator's first reaction when Rahman, newly released from jail, came to visit him? What is his initial reaction when Rahman asked to see Minnie? What makes him change his mind? Okay, now the question is, what was the narrator's reaction? First reaction when Rahman after releasing from the jail, he came to visit him. So at first he could not recognize him. Okay, firstly तो जो author he could not recognize him because he did not have his sack and long hair, so that was missing. But as soon as he realized that he was Kabuliwala, he could not overcome the fact that he was a murderer. So he found it very much not good, because somebody has came, okay, on this pious occasion when his daughter was getting married. So he could not overcome the fact that he was a murderer. So this author, he considered his presence as an inauspicious. Okay, he didn't like his presence on Minnie's wedding day and he was reluctant. So when Kabuliwala requested him to give her, so and he didn't allow Kabuliwala to meet Minnie. So after that, what happened? Kabuliwala requested him to give her a handful of fruit that he has got for Minnie. When her father offered him money, he refused by saying that the gesture was in remembrance. So he said that he didn't came to make up the profit, to make up the money, but it was just a gesture, was in remembrance. Okay, he sees the reflection of his own daughter in Minnie, and because of that he comes to meet her. Okay, this was the reason which he gave to the author. Now next question, question number 8. Now 8 question, the Kabuliwala looked a little staggered at the apparition. He could not revive their old friendship. At last he smiled and said, "Little one, are you going to your father-in-law house?" But Minnie was not understood the meaning of the word father-in-law, and she could not reply to him as of date. Okay, now the first question of this part is, describe the apparition seen by the Kabuliwala. What does the author mean by saying that the Kabuliwala was staggered? Why did he feel this way? So when Minnie enters the room, she was no more a small girl. Okay, because she has grown up into a graceful, beautiful woman. And by seeing in her wedding attire, Rahman, he fails to connect with his new apparition, because he was thinking ki the Minnie is same age. She will be coming. She will come calling out, "O Kabuliwala, O Kabuliwala." But the things have changed. So he was taken aback and staggered for a moment. He immediately realized the quantum of time that had passed away. Now Minnie is no more a 5-year girl. Okay, years later when he came back, and he still expects her to greet him shouting, "O Kabuliwala, O Kabuliwala." But now the things have changed, because Minnie has grown up into a graceful, beautiful woman. Now next part में आते हैं. What do you think are the feeling of Rahman at this time? Explain clearly why he would be experiencing these feelings. So at this point Rahman experiences a flux of emotion. Okay, a lot of emotions which were coming coming him. Okay, now the memories of the time spent with Minnie flash across his mind. Since in Minnie he saw his own daughter's reflection, who stayed in Kabul. So he realized that his daughter must be now of a marriageable age. Okay, the years that have flown away strikes him like a heavy bolt. So he realized that a long period of time has spent. Okay, now the last part is, what was the feeling of Minnie's father for Rahman at this time? What does he go to do, and how does he feel about this action of his? What is your opinion of the narrator at this time? So Minnie's father, he feel a sense of sympathy, empathy for Rahman, and he sees the reflection of his own love of Minnie in a Kabuliwala deep-seated love for Parvati. So what he did, he handed over a bank note to Kabuliwala and requested him to go back to home and reunite with his daughter. So this is all about the exercises, about the question answers. Hope you all have understood. Thank you everyone.